Just about everyone has this in their home. And nobody thinks to upgrade it because it's been there forever and we're so used to seeing it. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Guaranteed it's probably going to take you 5 minutes or less. No tools, no electric. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Check it out. Today we're going to do one of the easiest, cheapest, and most effective home improvement things you can do for under 40 bucks. We're going to update the exhaust fan in the bathroom. Now the company's been around forever. Literally you can go to like just about any home and look up there and there it is. It's the Broan or the Nutone, whatever's up with that brand. They kind of got two brands on it. These things work like crazy. They last forever. So their company, I guess they got together and they're like, let's make an upgrade option and you're going to love it. There she is, the Broan Nutone model FG600. You can pick this thing up for about 40, low 40s at like Home Depot, homedepot.com. If you just want to go to Amazon real quick, you can get it for $34. Free shipping. Some of the features real quick, this thing is a little bit bigger, but it doesn't matter. It mounts the same way. All you do is you pull off the old one and it's got a little electrical style plug that goes up in the ceiling. This has a little thing that adapts to all that. I'll show you in 1 second when I put it in. Don't be intimidated. You can do this no matter who you are. Also, the old model, they mentioned it gets less dusty as the old one. You can see I have this one right here. It takes all that air in across all that surface area. So what they've done is they changed that and they have it coming in from the sides. So it's going to stay a little cleaner. And the best part is it does have an LED light on it with 750 lumens. So most of the time you have circuits that run, so you have a switch for your lights, you have a switch for your ceiling fan or whatever. What this will do, if you want a little ambiance in your shower, you can leave your lights off and leave this on and that'll be the only light you're running. Real quick, let me open it up and I'll show you what you're working with. When you get up into the business end of this, like I was saying, right now the one in your ceiling just plugs into a plug up there. Before you buy this, I would take my existing exhaust fan cover off and make sure it just has one of these that plugs in. I'll show you the next step. And it has a piggyback where we plug it back in. It does have two different sizes of these to pick from. So if you have the smaller or the bigger, they got you covered. Now when we go to put it in, there's gonna be little slots. We'll squeeze these together, put them in the slots, and push it up. As they expand out, they hold it up tight to the ceiling. Let's go put it in. I'll show you how easy it is. All right, there's our existing exhaust fan. Let me show you what you're gonna look for. You're gonna pull it down. There's the little springs, which are kind of wore out. You can see how dusty that is up in there. Might wipe that off a little bit before I put the new one in. Here's what you're gonna look for. See that little plug? I can just pull that out like a normal plug. That makes the fan unit itself work. I'm going to install the new one with that on the same side. Take the first side of the spring, condense it down, put it up in like that. We're about 15-20 seconds in. I'm just going to take this old plug and plug it into the new piggyback like that. Then I'm going to plug the new one. Probably go that way. Right up in there. Take the other side, squeeze it together. Tuck the cords in, push her up. Take off the plastic film. That's it. That's all there is to it. And go ahead and try her out. So I'll just flip the old switch I used for the exhaust fan. Perfect. I can turn off my other lights and see what it looks in here. Oh yeah. Installing that thing is probably one of the easiest things I've ever installed in my life. Easier than batteries probably. So here's a challenge to the ladies. Don't even tell the guy you're getting this thing. wait till, just order it. Order it off Amazon when it comes. Wait till his lazy ass is gone, that lazy bastard's off somewhere, and put this thing in there and let him come home and notice. And then, yeah, you did that. You did that. You're at home taking care of these kids and just upgrading this house while he's running around town. He's just running around. What am I doing here? Right, ladies? Alright guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Make sure you check my channel for more videos. There's all kinds of them on there. And click that subscribe button to make sure you get future posts. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.
Got your bumper, bro!